Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France Garon. We are in our family home here in Canada, and this is corn season. So this corn was picked this morning. We never buy the one from yesterday. It has to be picked today. And we bought 6 dozen because we're gonna prepare for the winter. We are going to cook all this corn, and we're gonna just cut it off the cobs, and we're gonna freeze it for the winter in small individual packets, and we'll have corn for all winter until the next season. Corn season starts middle of July until about middle of September. So we eat corn just nearly every day in that time of the year. It is so delicious and sweet and so beautiful. We love it. Okay, we're here outside because we peel those corn outside because it's a bit messy, and there's lots of little hair, we call them hair, and so we just peel it all outside and before we bring it inside to cook them. All right, this is fresh, and it's very easy to peel when it's fresh like this. Just take it out like that. The whole peel comes off, and cut the end, and that's it. Here we are. We're just gonna pile them up here and peel all this corn with Mom. It won't take very long, about 20 minutes, 10 minutes. All right, we have 72 corns here already cooked. So we boiled it in a big pot and then let it sit for a while to cool down so we can actually handle it. So we're gonna cut it all off the cob. But first of all, we need a very sharp knife, and I'm gonna use my grandfather's knife because this is the sharpest knife in this house. But I'm gonna still sharpen it a little bit because you should do that anyway. Every time you use your knife, you should sharpen it, and that way it's always perfect and very sharp. So just a few strokes before you use it. And I know this one is very sharp already, so let me see. Perfect. So let's get started. So we're gonna just cut it off like that, and because my knife is so sharp, it's going so well. If your knife is not so sharp, you will see the corn will fly around everywhere on the floor, and you'll have to clean it up. But because it's a very sharp knife, it's going really good. Very easy. It's just sliding off. And so we're gonna cut them all off the cob here. And after that, we're gonna just put them in bowl, whatever, a bowl that you have there, and then afterwards, you see they're all sort of together. We can just leave it as that because it's nice to have big chunks sometimes, or depending of what you're gonna use it for, you can just all break it apart as well if you want. So up to you, but we're gonna just chop them all off the cup and put them here, and then just put them in a little zip bag in small portion in the freezer for the whole winter. Et voila, we have 20 small bags of corn. That's gonna go in the freezer, and it just tastes amazing when we take it out. So you're gonna see some recipe that we're gonna use this corn that was fresh from August, and then that we keep in the freezer for the whole winter.